Welcome to KC classes. Hope all of you are fine. Today we will do question number 2 of your exercise 4.1. Your chapter is linear equation. Question number 2 is check whether the value given in the brackets, here it is given in the bracket, is a solution to the given equation or not. We have to do what we have to do, we have to place the value of n is equal to 1 in the given equation and solve left hand side and check whether the left hand side is equal to the right hand side or not. If left side and right sides are equal, then we can say yes, the given values is the solution of the equation, or if your left side and right side are not equal, then we can say the given value is not a solution. See, I am doing here, we put n is equal to 1 in place of n here. We put 1, rest of the equation we note down as it is. Okay, on left side it becomes 6, or right side it is 19. They are not equal to. When we cross the equal to sign, it becomes not equal to. So here we see left side not equal to right side. So we can say n is equal to 1 is not a solution. Okay guys. Now come to the B part. What is B part here? B part is 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. And here value is given n is equal to minus 2 alongside the equation. So we put in place of n minus 2. Here we put minus 2. But if we put minus 2, what is the relation between these two numbers? If there is no sign between a number and a variable, we use multiply or use bracket. Okay, plus 5 is equal to 19. Rest of the equation we note it down as it is. 7 multiply by 2, not 7 minus 2. I already told you that if there is no sign between number and variable, we consider multiply. So 7 multiplied 2 is 14 minus 14. When we multiply one positive and negative number, the answer is in negative form. Okay. Now rest of the equation is as it is. Here minus 14 plus 5. Rule of integer is plus minus. हम क्या करेंगे? माइनस करते हैं. अगर एक पॉजिटिव और एक नेगेटिव नंबर होता है तो हम उन्हें माइनस करते हैं और साइन बड़े नंबर का आता है. यहाँ पर इन दोनों में बड़ा नंबर 14 है और उसके साथ जो साइन है वो माइनस का है, इसीलिए आपका लेफ्ट साइड पे -9 आएगा जो कि राइट साइड से डिफरेंट है. तो अगेन हमने क्या देखा? व्हाट वी सी लेफ्ट साइड इज नॉट इक्वल टू राइट साइड. So again we can say n is equal to minus 2 is not a solution. Okay guys, come to the C part. C part is given in your notebook. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. And alongside the equation, the value of n is given is 2. So we put 2 in the equation. Here we put, again we use bracket when we put the value. Otherwise it is considered 72. It is wrong. Okay. 7 2s are 14 plus 5. And see students, in the left side 14 plus 5 it is 19. And right hand side it is also given 19. So here in third part we see that left side is equal to right side, or we can say n is equal to 2 is a solution of your equation. Okay. Next come to D part. D part is given here. 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. And here is the value given, p is equal to 1. Now put the value of p, that is 1. Rest of the equation we noted down as it is. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 minus 3 is equal to 13. On the left hand side we minus 4 and 3 and get 1, which is not equal to your right side, because in right side here is 13 is given. So we can say p is equal to 1 is not a solution. Okay, next come to E part. E part is given here. E part is what? E part is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13, and the value of p is minus 4 is given for the equation. Put the value of p, that is minus 4, again use the bracket, otherwise it is considered 4 minus 4, which is wrong. Minus 3 is equal to 13. 4 multiplied by 4, it is 16. I already told you, when we multiply one positive and negative number, the product is in negative form. Minus 3 is equal to 13. Here the rule of integers is follows. What is the rule? माइनस माइनस प्लस होगा, और जब हम दो नंबर्स को प्लस करते हैं, अगर दोनों नंबर नेगेटिव होते हैं तो इंटीजर्स का रूल है कि हम माइनस और माइनस प्लस करते हैं, लेकिन साइन बड़े नंबर का आता है जो कि आपका नेगेटिव है और जो आपका राइट साइड के साथ इक्वल नहीं है. सो लेफ्ट साइड इज नॉट इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड, और we can say p is equal to minus 4 is not a solution. One part is left for this equation, that is F part, that is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13, and here value of p is 0 given here. We put p is equal to 0. Rest of the equation we write as it is. 4 multiplied by 0 is 0, because any number which is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Rest of the equation is this. Here we minus them, we subtract 0 and 3. हम 0 और 3 को जब subtract करेंगे तो हमें 3 ही मिलेगा, क्योंकि हम जब किसी नंबर में से 0 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते वी गेट द सेम नंबर, बट जो साइन आएगा वो बड़े नंबर का आएगा. आउट ऑफ 0 एंड 3 इज ग्रेटर, सो यूज नेगेटिव साइन. 3 का साइन यहाँ पर माइनस साइन है, इसीलिए हम माइनस लगाएंगे, और ये राइट साइड से इक्वल नहीं आ रहा, तो हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे कि p इज इक्वल टू 0 इज नॉट अ सॉल्यूशन. सो this is all about question number 2 of exercise 4.1 chapter 4. Hope all of you have understood very well. If you like my videos, please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and if you want any kind of video on any topic, on any chapter of any class, please give me answer in my comment section. Thank you. Bye bye all.